How does the SSA calculate cost of living increases? Understanding how the Social Security Administration, SSA, calculates annual cost of living adjustments, COLA, is essential for beneficiaries of programs like Social Security Disability Insurance, SSDI, and Supplemental Security Income, SSI. These adjustments ensure that benefits keep pace with inflation, maintaining the purchasing power of recipients. Let's break down how the process works, the legal framework behind it, and what it means for those who rely on these benefits. SSA's legal process for determining COLA. The SSA's authority to adjust Social Security benefits annually comes from the Social Security Act, which mandates the use of specific inflation measures to calculate COLA. The law requires the SSA to use the Consumer Price Index for urban wage earners and clerical workers, CPIW, to determine yearly adjustments. The CPIW is published by the Bureau of Labor Statistics and tracks changes in the prices of goods and services typically purchased by households that earn their income from wage or clerical work. Since 1975, the SSA has used this measure to adjust benefits annually, ensuring that payments keep pace with inflation. However, this method has faced criticism. The CPIW focuses on spending patterns that don't fully reflect the needs of Social Security beneficiaries, particularly those with disabilities and the elderly, who often face higher medical and living expenses. Some professionals advocate for alternative inflation measures, such as the CPIE, which tracks spending patterns for older Americans and may better account for healthcare costs. How does the SSA determine COLA? The SSA calculates COLA by comparing the average CPIW for the third quarter of the current year with the same period in the previous year. If there is an increase, Social Security benefits are adjusted by that percentage. For 2025, the COLA has been set at 2.5%. This means Social Security recipients will see their monthly benefits increase by that percentage starting in January. The adjustment is crucial for maintaining the value of benefits in the face of rising living costs. For example, SSDI recipients will see their average monthly benefits increase from $1,543 to $1,581. SSI beneficiaries will have their benefits rise from $943 to $967 for individuals and from $1,415 to $1,450 for couples. In New Jersey, there are additional state supplements for eligible SSI recipients. These can increase monthly benefits beyond the federal maximum, depending on factors like income and living arrangements. The process behind SSA's calculations. The CPIW measures inflation by tracking price changes in goods and services commonly purchased by urban wage earners, such as food, housing, transportation, and healthcare. The Bureau of Labor Statistics updates this index monthly. Despite the CPIW being the current standard, debates continue about whether it accurately reflects the financial challenges faced by Social Security beneficiaries. Calls for alternatives, like the CPIE, highlight the need for a measure that better accounts for higher healthcare costs, a significant expense for many beneficiaries. Another proposed option is the chained CPI, which adjusts for consumer behavior, such as buying cheaper alternatives when prices rise. While the chained CPI generally measures inflation slightly lower than the CPIW, it hasn't been adopted by the SSA. Understanding how COLA is calculated is essential for anyone receiving Social Security benefits. If you're concerned about how these adjustments might impact your finances or eligibility, the Matus Law Group can provide valuable insight. Whether you're navigating SSDI, SSI, or state supplements in New Jersey, we can help clarify your options. Contact the Matus Law Group at 732-281-0060 or visit us at 81 East Water Street No. 2C, Toms River, New Jersey 08753, United States, to schedule a consultation and ensure you're getting the most from your benefits.